Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to explain our first group assignment, which is downtime. The company that our group have choose is a Nestle company. Now I will explain a little bit about the background of Nestle company. Okay, Nestle company is the largest food and beverage company in the world. This company has been established in 1866 by Henry Nestle, who is a pharmacist. At first, Henry Nestle had developed a milk food formula for baby who were unable to tolerate their mother milk called as a ferrin lactate. This product is successfully developed and had a huge demand through Europe. Due to this success, many companies want to merge and become the business partner with the Henry Nestle. And in 1905, Henry Nestle had decided to merge his company with the Angelo Swift Milk Company, who had been established by George and Charles Page. The headquarters of this company is located at Bavaria, Switzerland, but Nestle company had factory or operation almost every country in the world. At first, this company only produced a milk food formula for baby, but after this company has grown exponentially, they have produced a variety line of products which are baby food, coffee, dairy product, breakfast cereal, and many more. We explain the Nestle downtime. Okay, downtime is stand for the D is for the defects, O for the overproduction, W is for the waiting time, N for is not utilized talent, T is for the transport, I for the inventory, M for the motion access, E for the access processing. Okay, now let's see what is defects. Okay, defect is the issue and error arising from the poor quality process, input or output. To remove the defects, it will cost time and material to the Nestle company. To overcome this problem or to overcome this defect, Nestle company has to do some improvement where they carefully designing their product using the computer to reduce the trial failure. Okay, next for the overproduction. Overproduction is mean that you're producing more or at the higher rates than what your customer needs. Okay, the impact of the overproduction to the Nestle company that Nestle company need to have a extra material or have a high cost for the storage because they need to accommodate with the overproduction products. To improve this overproduction problem, the Nestle have used the Enterprise Resources Planning (ERP) to track their stock requirement. Next is for the waiting time. Waiting time is the waiting to execute the next process step. Is with delay waiting for inputs. The impact of the waiting time to the Nestle company is the employee of Nestle waste their time in waiting, and sometimes the production got delayed. To improve this problem or to improve the waiting time, Nestle have designed a timelines properly. Definition of the not utilized talent is the underutilization of worker knowledge and skills. The employee of Nestle company has a poor communication, either in the upward or backwards communication, and they also do not have a sufficient training to do their work. This is a waste to the company. To overcome this problem or the improvement that Nestle have done for this problem is that they had enhanced a communication in team or a group by using the information meeting and problem solving strategy, as well as using a multiple organizational communication tools. Next is for the transport. Transport is mean that unnecessary movement and transportation of products, material or equipment. This unnecessary transportation of material will cost time and energy to the Nestle company. To the improvement that the Nestle have been done for this problem is that they have reduced the size or the weight to facilitate the handling in order to save time and energy. Okay, next is the inventory. Inventory is mean that any accumulation of material product beyond customer demand. This excess stock will become a waste to the company because it will increase the cost of saving to the company. The company need to rent a warehouse to accommodate with the large stock. The Nestle company have faced some problem in their inventory where they have a shortage or excess of inventory due to the large variety of products stocked out and inconsistency in supply. The improvement that the Nestle company had done to overcome this problem is that they has transferred goods to the customer store to avoid the storage, and they also do the quick delivery to the distributor in order to reduce the storage cost of the ready goods. Okay, next is the motion access. Motion access is the excessive movement of people in a process or the inefficient workstations. Nestle have faced some problem in this factor or in this aspect where their employee is traveling excessively and unnecessarily for a certain project or for a certain work. To overcome this problem, Nestle have used effective project planning to ensure that they have an efficient performance. And the last one is the excessive processing. Excess processing is the unnecessary or redundant activity and process. Repeated activity is a waste time to the company. Nestle have faced the problem in the excessive processing where the raw material, packaging and finishing good have been handled by multiple times. The improvement that the Nestle have been done in the excessive processing is that have an elimination of unnecessary steps in the processes. Okay, in conclusion, by trying to eliminate these 8 ways, Nestle company can achieve tremendous achievement in their operational efficiency. Of course, it is not enough to simply recognize the problem, but once it is identified, there must be a practical plan to overcome it. That's all from our group. Thank you.